Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come equipped with the lighting package, which is going to give you an active LED high beam assist, full LED headlamps. For wheels, we've got 19-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a lane keeping assist. Also included is the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a eucalyptus wood trim, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Open in. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you Parktronic with active parking assist, a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. We've got hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 52,980 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.